Viral Bohol sighting. Netizens can't stop talking about Enrique Gil at Frankie Russell matapos silang makita together in Panglao, Bohol. September 6, 2025, Bohol-based content creator Natnat Wabe Vibes shared a vlog showing Enrique walking by the beach huts of Balichasag Island. Kasama niya si Frankie, former Pinoy Big Brother housemate turned beauty queen, at ang non-showbiz best friend nito. Sa video, kitang-kita na nag-snorkeling at nag-turtle watching ang dalawa. Kahit naka-vacation mode si Quen, hindi pa rin niya binigo ang fans na lumapit para magpa-picture. Super bait pa rin ng actor, game na game sa selfies kahit nagre-relax. Pero hindi doon natapos ang chika. Later that day, another fan spotted Enrique and Frankie sa isang hotel sa Panglao. Nakunan silang bumababa sa staircase na parang papunta pa to explore more of the island. Kaya naman, mabilis na kumalat ang pictures at videos online. Sa Exter, maraming netizens ang nagtataka kung sila na nga ba. May iba namang nagsasabi na bagay sila at suportado kung sakaling maging couple. Context. This sighting comes weeks after Lisa Soberano's big revelation. Sa Can I Come podcast documentary by Sarah Baba, August 14, 2025, Lisa admitted that she and Enrique actually broke up as early as October 2022. For almost 3 years, pareho nilang itinago ang breakup. At si Enrique pa mismo ang madalas magpakilig sa Lisquen fans kahit tapos na pala ang relasyon nila. Kaya naman mas naging intriguing ang pagsasama ni na Enrique at Frankie ngayon. Since matagal nang tahimik si Quen about his personal life, fans are now curious kung may bagong chapter nga ba sa love life niya. Meanwhile, si Frankie naman ay huling na link kay actor Diego Loizaga noong 2022. Wala ring malinaw na update after that, kaya mas naging exciting ang connection na ito with Enrique. Netizens are now asking, bagong love team ba ito? Or simpleng friendly getaway lang? Possible ba na this is Gwen's first public appearance with someone new after Liza? Whether it's romance or just friendship, siguradong masusundan pa ang issue na ito sa mga susunod na araw. Ikaw, anong take mo? Do you ship Enrique and Frankie or tingin mo friends lang sila? Comment your thoughts below. Let's discuss.